Correct sequence of cell cycle is G0, G1, S, G2 and M. Neither raised or nor depressed is macule. Flat discoloration on skin is 1 cm is called macule. Oil drop is seen in psoriasis of nails. Phyllon is seen in nail bud. Taenium unguum affects nail plate. Characteristic feature of atopic dermatitis is pruritus. Secondary syphilis manifests by painless lymphoadenopathy or mucosal erosion or symptomatic rash. Hypopigmented patches are seen in Navius animicus. Fire tree type distortion is seen in Pityriasis rosea. Airborne contact dermatitis is diagnosed by patch test. Alopecia atracta is treated by minoxidil. School of fish appearance is shown by Haemophilus duceri. Critical alopecia DLE, lichen planus RSLE. Non-cicatricial alopecia is psoriasis alopecia areata. Raindrop pigmentation is seen in chronic arsenic poisoning. Patch test is done for allergic contact dermatitis. Fluid filled in epidermis and dermis is called vesicle. Commonest site of atopic dermatitis is antecubital fossa. Derloque dermatitis is due to contact with cosmetics. Least common site involvement in psoriasis is CNS involvement. Civica bodies are found in lichen planus. A washerman present with thickness, erosion and discoloration of web spaces of toes. Diagnosis is candidiasis. Dobie itch is Taenia curiasis. Spongineous is seen in acute eczema. Coin-shaped eczema, nummular eczema. Atopic dermatitis is diagnosed by clinical examination. Commonest metal causing skin hypersensitivity is nickel. Most common of allergic contact dermatitis in Indian female is detergents. Commonest cause of airborne contact dermatitis in India is Prunethium grass. Patient gets recurrent urticaria while doing exercise on exposed to sunlight cause cholinergic urticaria. Annular herald patch is seen in Pityriasis rosea. Nummular ring is caused due to idiopathic diarrhea. Sign is seen in urticaria pigmentosa. Patient with recurrent swelling on face and lips due to emotional stress causing esterase inhibitor deficiency. Quickens disease is popularly known as angioneurotic edema. Bleeding spots seen on removal of scales in psoriasis is called Aspitz sign. Ash leaf macula found in tuberculosis sclerosis. The important feature of psoriasis is scaling. Patch test is type of delayed type hypersensitivity. Patch test is read after 2 days. Morbilliform eruptions are seen in rubella or measles. Koebner phenomena is present in psoriasis, lichen planus, warts, which is a pruritic. Lichen planus is sunburns, pygmogoid psoriasis. Characteristic feature of lichen planus is Winkman's striaria. Lichen planus treatment of choice is systemic steroids. Solarin A is used for treatment of vitiligo. Row of tombstone appearance is seen in Fimbigos. Commonest variety of Fimbigos is Fimbigos vulgaris. Associated with Fimbigos Thyomas, CLL, Methician gravis or tropic gastritis. Blister formation in bone case in subepidermal. Mucous lesions are seen in Fimbigos. Intracellular immunoglobulin G deposition in epidermis seen in Fimbigos. Increased level of immunoglobulin E is seen in atopy. Granular immunoglobulin A deposits at dermal papilla are found in dermatitis herpetiformis. HLA is associated with dermatitis herpetiformis HLA B27. Pyoderma gangrenosum is seen in ulcerative colitis. Erythema nodosum is seen in RA-PTB and enteric fever leprosy. What can patient with gluten sensitive hypersensitivity consume fast food? Rice or corn. Target or iris lesion is seen in erythema multiforme. Causative organism of Molluscum contagiosum is pox virus. Ballooning is characteristic of herpes zoster. Acantholysis is characteristic of Fimbigos vulgaris. Patient complains of abdominal pain, vomiting, physiatric symptoms and visual hallucination. Purpurea cutanea taranda can be treated by phlebotomy. Non-palpable purpura is seen in amyloid, idiopathic purpura, drug-induced vasculitis. Palpable purpura is seen in HSP or serum sickness, Wegener's granulomatosis. Treatment of Kawasaki disease is intravenous immunoglobulin G. Lish nodal is seen in von Religonius disease. Immunoglobulin A deposit on skin biopsy is immune purpura. Triad of Reiter syndrome include conjunctivitis, urethritis, arthritis. Defective DNA repair is associated with xeroderma pigmentosa. Pseudobubo is seen in donovancosis. Satellite lesions are seen in borderline tuberculoid leprosy. Dermatitis and alopecia are due to deficiency of zinc. Tuberculoid leprosy is characterized by non-satiating granuloma in nerve. Crocodile skin or xeroderma is seen in Ichthyosis vulgaris. Castle necklace is caused by pellagra. Rash and measles occurs first in post-auricular region. Erythema marginatum is seen in rheumatic fever. Commonest nerve involved in leprosy is ulnar. Lupus vulgaris, skin and mucosous tubi, apple jelly nodules at root of nose. Acrodermatitis enteropathica, decrease zinc level and autosomal recessive. Rose spot are seen in typhoid fever. Slap chick appearance is seen in erythema infectiosum. Pyoderma is a deficiency of vitamin A. Witcher cells are seen in leprosy. Lepromin test is used for prognosis. Feature of lepromatous leprosy is saddle nose, gynecomastia and mydriasis. Commonest fungal infection in female genital in diabetic is candida. Most potent antileprotic drug is rifampicin. Permethrin is used in treatment of scabies. Leprosy do not involve CNS. Leprosy affects all organs except uterus. In leprosy, nerves are commonly involved are eye, ulnar and low median. Skin hazards of swimming or Perinke marmarium infection. Most common type of leprosy in India is TT. Commonest skin infection in children is impetigo contagious. Characteristic lesion of scabies is brow. Unicolor clusters are characteristic of impetigo. Most common organism causing tinea capitalis is Microsporum. Athletis foot fourth toe web is involved in hyperthyroidism present caused by trypophyton. Tinea incognita is seen in steroid treatment. Treatment of Aiken is 30-cis retinol or minoxidil or erythromycin. Multi-drug therapy is given for leprosy. Tinea versicolor is characterized by Melzias purpura. Gyriosulfin is useful in tinea capitalis, tinea crucis and tinea pedis. Treatment of tinea versicolor is clotrimazole, sodium thiosulfate, miconazole and selenium sulfide. Safety pin appearance is shown by donovanosis granulomatosis. Black dot ringworm is caused by trichophyton. Washerman thickness erosion and discoloration of a space of toes is candidiasis. Medically most important from UVB. Range of light with cause maximum damage to skin is 290 to 360 nanometer. Gyriosulfin is not used in tinea versicolor and candida. Dobis H is tinea crucis. Incubation period of scabies is 4 weeks. Antidote for tinea warfarin is vitamin K. Circular of herba is associated with scabies. Van Bones disease is pediculosis corporis. Impetigo contagious is most commonly due to Staphylococcus. Condyloma acuminata is caused by HPV. LGV is caused by Chlamydia tracheomatosis. Gentilia elephantiasis is caused by Lipogranulum venerum. Sign of groove is found in Lipogranulum venerum. Fry's test is done in Lipogranuloma venerum. Drug of choice of Lipogranuloma venerum is doxycycline. Drug of choice for herpes zoster is acyclovir. Drug of choice is primary syphilis is benzathine penicillin. Pseudo isomorphic phenomena is shown by warts. Severe form of scabies is Norwegian scabies. Characteroid is caused by Haemophilus most frequent cause of recurrent genital ulcer is sexually active male is herpes gentilis. Ivermectin is indicated as treatment of scabies. Severe TBA is seen in syphilis. Acanthasis nigricans is indicative of internal malignant endocrine disease. Bloom's syndrome, pigmentation of face and neck, laryngeal cells in skin or antigen presenting cell. Shagreen patchy may be seen in tuberculosis sclerosis. Redundant ulcer is a type of basal cell carcinoma. Hypervitaminosis A is associated with hair loss, dry skin, hypopigmentation, and bone fractures. Blue line on gums are seen in acute monocytic leukemia. Ichthyotomy is done for circumferential scars. Leprosy does not affect uterus and ovary. Erythema multiforme is caused by virus. Systemic treatment of scabies is ivermectin. Wassermann's test is done for syphilis. Protective from ultraviolet rays is melanocytes. Child born in nasal discharge and rash all over the body is congenital syphilis. 25-year-old present in urticaria, recurrent skin infection, abdominal cramps, and diarrhea upon taking seafoods is atopic dermatitis. Male as painless ulcers 9 days after coitus. Preferential sex worker diagnosis canceria. Multibacillary leprosy is 12 months. Passive bacillary leprosy is 6 months. Silvery scaling is an important feature of psoriasis. Melasma is seen in face. Iron deficiency anemia is cholangitis. Apple jelly nodules are lupus vulgaris. Butterfly rashes are seen in systemic lupus erythematosus. Hatspray sign is seen in psoriasis. Row of tombstone appearance is seen in fimbigos. Groin is a fungal infection. Anagan is a growth phase of hair. Ash leaf spots are seen in tuberculosis sclerosis.